Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel.
Morning, everyone.
Guys, we want to apologize for not posting a video on Friday. We were just too busy with banking and running around to get paid but it's all done. Only thing I can say is, Netbank, you suck. So we went over to FNB and our YouTube money is in and we are sorted. Alright, baby, on today's episode, where are we going?
Deer Park.
Deer Park. Deer Park. I write this letter because... Alright, let's get on the road. Okay, so we have arrived here at Deer Park. We somewhere went in. I don't know if you're allowed to park here or not, but there's a car next door to us, so we must see. So far, it looks beautiful. Let's go check it out.
There's a message drifting in the air. If you listen, you will notice music everywhere. This bridge is made of hope. This bridge is made of hope. In this world of hunger, war, and strife, we can together, all included, build a better life. Made of hope. Side by side, hope. This bridge is made of hope.
nothing like city traffic. Anyway, it's not that bad. Me and Linda's just going to Spar quickly. We're going to go get a couple of supplies, and then we need to get our behinds and get. We're working night shift tonight, so we'll tell you all about this place. Man, it was amazing. That's all you need to know now. Movie stars. It was beautiful. All right, let's go. Alright, so we arrived here at Spar Winner Car. Yeah, we need a couple of supplies. We need Benji food, cat food, and milk, and all that jazz. That's going to be a couple of bucks. But hey, that's life. And there you have it. Woo! Deer Park. Linda, what did you think?
Awesome, awesome.
Beautiful.
It's one of those places you go to, but you don't want to go home.
You can spend easily, I think,
whole day.
5-6 hours there. If you don't watch your watch, you'll get lost with time. Everything is beautiful. I didn't enjoy the drive through to get there through the city. I don't like, driving your home through the city, because people can't drive. I've seen that again. I was like, ooh, every time my bum just went. Anyways, and then we went to go pick up a package. Frans and Amelia, hey?
Yes.
Thank you very much. All the way from Joburg, we received your gift. We are blown away, and it will definitely be used, eh?
Yes, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yeah. All right, let me show you. Okay, so this is the gifts we received from Frans and Amelia.
Yes.
And we read your letter, and we don't want to read it out loud. It's personal, and we felt it, really. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you very much once again, Frans and Amelia.
Yes.
All right. Sorry, guys. I'm not good with names. All right, baby. The time. All right. We're going to go bath. We're going to get this van travel ready, and we'll pick you guys up tomorrow once we wake up. Hey?
Yes.
First night shift. Away. All right. Let's do it. I'm up. Phew, that was a nice sleep. How was yours, baby?
Alright, I was so tired.
Well, the sun is up and the birds are chirping away. Kaka! It's a beautiful day. All right, we're gonna go get some food, Papa.
Yes.
All right, let's get something to chow. And then, ladies and gentlemen, it's a normal thing. Get ready for work. Oh, I'm not in the mood for that, but hey, we have to. Okay. Give me another sip of this gummy berry juice. Let's do it. Alrighty then, let's go be hunting for some food. Yo, I'm thinking of that deer place of yesterday, Baba.
Yeah, if we can be there now under that trees.
Under those trees and what. And not just that, I forgot to tell you guys, you can bring your doggies, it's dog friendly, and you can park inside. Just go in and just keep right.
And there's picnic spots.
Picnic spots, those are round picnic tables. Oh man, take the kids.
But really, that place is really one of those places you want to stay there. And you can actually, this is going to sound funny, but you can smell the trees, that forest smell. Yeah. Wow.
No, it was really nice. I should actually put the camera on Linda, but it's hard with this camera mount here. Oh, all right, Alfred, you're awake. drive safely, go get some food. Alright, let's go. Guess what, guys? There's a new final destination coming out. Yes! Wilma wait for the video or something on the internet. On Netflix or something, because it's damn expensive going to the movies these days. Alrighty then. How's it, uncle? There you go, ma'am. Alright, now it's our turn. Alrighty then. It's hot, eh?
Yeah, but at least now when you're driving there's some
wind blowing on you. Alright. Linda, what time is it?
It's a turn.
Let's go get some food, guys.
Nice.
Have you guys ever went to a shop for one thing and you come out with more than one thing? How's your grapes, Linda? So not sour. Oh damn, son, this looks yum yum. Okay, let's have something to chow. What did you take and how's yours, Papa?
I took a meat master. It's not too bad, but I prefer the one that you took. I think we had that one a couple of months ago. That what's that, meat deluxe, no?
Well, that was yum yum. Linda, how was your pizza?
That was very nice.
We didn't even finish everything. It's like half of that pizza. I'm done. I'm full.
Yeah, normally we just take one, but it's night shift, so
Yeah. So at least like Linda says, at least we got something to eat tonight when we're on duty. Whew, boys and girls, the time is catching up. I think let's make this bed and let's get ready for work. Man, check my view. Alright, let's make this bed. Let's get this van up and ready. Let's get done for work. Linda, I want movement.
I'm not in the mood to
I
move.
want movement, Captain. Alright, let's do this. Woo. Bye. Jeez, Louise, guys. I just spoke to Linda now. Do you guys also get it one day when you feel like you're overworked, you're tired, your body is telling you, actually, listen, dude, you abusing me non-stop. It feels like my bumper is hanging. Any case.
Do you think what it is? It's that first night shift, because you wake up, say 8 o'clock. You don't go to sleep again.
Until the next morning.
By the time we get home, we're almost awake 24 hours. I think that's it.
Because I don't know. I was full of energy and all of a sudden my bumper is hanging.
And then you know it's another 12 hours.
Yeah.
Not complaining, just saying.
Yeah. But I think everyone gets it, you know. I mean, today's life is just go, 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 go. Alright, with go, 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 Linda said she's going to wash some dishes. So it's not much, it's just like little spoons and 2 cups and what. Let's do that. I'm just here looking out the back door to this beautiful green tree, the blue skies, seeing the birds fly. Oh, it makes me feel so much better. Nature's got healing powers, people. You just need to forget about your nonsense and just take it in. Just like slow down. You'll feel so much better, recharged, rejuvenated, and ready to take on life again. Beautiful. Well, boys and girls, if we want to or not, we need to eat the road.
Let's stay another 5 minutes. I'm just joking.
The way I feel, I'll go get back on that bed, kick my boots out, and I'm back to sleep. Anyways, how was your day? All right.
It was fine, yeah.
Anything you want to say to our people?
Like what?
I don't know.
I'm just joking.
Entertain, baby.
You guys must enjoy your week and look after yourself and go out and do what makes you happy.
Anyways, guys, like always, peace out. We love you, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye-bye. My brain's not working.
Bye, guys. Boys and girls, thank you for following along on this little adventure. I know it wasn't much, but that's life, eh? Not everything can be action-packed and But anyways, we appreciate it, guys. And if you don't mind, just watch one ad for us. That's how YouTube pays us. Ow, gee, what the hell? 4x4. I think we need to invest in a 4x4 in the next van, baby.
Yeah,
Alright, boys and girls, we love you. Peace.